Ahead of Radhika Merchant and Anant Ambani's wedding, several international celebrities have been spotted at the Mumbai airport who are in town to attend the ceremony. The wedding ceremonies will take place at the Jio World Convention Center in BKC on Friday, July 12. Here's who all will be attending the wedding. Renowned American reality TV stars and global fashion icons Kim Kardashian and her sister Khloe Kardashian have arrived in Mumbai. Famous for their e-reality television series Keeping Up with the Kardashians, the sisters received a lavish reception upon their arrival at the Taj Mahal Hotel, Mumbai. Surrounded by paparazzi at the airport, Kim shared a video of the bustling scene, captioning it with a warm "Hi India." She also posted moments from her welcome at the hotel, where she was greeted with a traditional garland and tikka. According to sources, Kim and Khloe will document the Ambani wedding for their Hulu reality show, The Kardashians. They have brought along their entire glam team, including hairstylist Chris Appleton and filming producers, to capture their Mumbai journey from arrival to the wedding and departure. Back in March 2018, Kim Kardashian starred on Vogue India's cover and admitted that the saris, the jewelry, the clothes, everything was so beautiful. And that she told her show we have to figure out how to get to India. Here's a look back at her viral looks from the Vogue shoot, including an embroidered red Sabyasachi sari and two lehengas by Anita Dongare and Anamika Khanna, Priyanka Chopra and Nick Jonas. The power couple has returned to India for the much-anticipated wedding. Nigerian pop star Rema has also arrived in Mumbai to join the star-studded guest list for the Ambani wedding. He will be performing his hit track Calm Down for all the guests. He played 2 houseful shows last year in India. John Cena, the WWE star, will also be a part of the festivities. Other politicians and prominent business personalities have also been spotted at the airport, gearing up to attend the highly anticipated wedding of Radhika Merchant and Anant Ambani. J.E. Lee, the executive chairman of Samsung, has arrived to attend the grand celebrations. Han Jong-hee, Samsung's CEO, Tony Blair and Cherie Blair, the former UK Prime Minister, and his wife are among the esteemed guests. Boris Johnson, the former UK Prime Minister, has also been spotted arriving for the wedding festivities. Apart from international celebrities, several Indian stars and politicians have also arrived in Mumbai for the festivities. Among them are Sachin and Sara Tendulkar, Shah Rukh Khan, and Siddharth Malhotra and Kiara Advani, who were out of town and have now landed. Politicians like Lalu Prasad Yadav, Tejashwi Yadav, and Mamta Banerjee are also in attendance, all set to join the grand celebration of Radhika Merchant and Anant Ambani's wedding. Antilia, the Ambani residence, is all lit up with stunning lights, creating a festive ambience.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.
Dr. Sana Sajan, the billionaire philanthropist from the Danube Group, is in town to celebrate with the Ambanis.